Worried about finding trustworthy in-home care in Massachusetts? Is your loved one safe and secure in their own home in Boston? Navigating the complexities of healthcare can be daunting. Ensuring a caregiver's qualifications and background is crucial for peace of mind in Worcester. Our new guide offers a step-by-step checklist for vetting in-home caregivers and agencies in Massachusetts, specifically tailored to the needs of families in Cambridge. Gain the confidence to make informed decisions about your loved one's care. Protect their well-being and ensure their safety right here in Springfield, Massachusetts. Download our free guide today and unlock the secrets to finding trusted in-home care. Secure peace of mind for your family with private in-home caregiver in Massachusetts. Your family's care, our priority.